It's a tag time, and the tag is, what is your luxury name? Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today is a tag time. I love doing tags videos because in this type of videos you can be very personal and express yourself. And today tag even more special because the name of this tag is, what is your luxury name? This tag was created by Mel in Melbourne, and I'm gonna link her channel in the description box below. She's very famous YouTuber, and I was tagged by 3 lovely ladies. The first one was Madame MM Style Icon, the second one is Fashionably Amy, and the third one Styled for Life. I'm gonna link all their channels in the description box below. Please visit their channels. So let's start with the tag. I struggle a little bit with this tag because my favorite luxury brand is Louis Vuitton and Chanel, and in my name I don't have really much L's and C's, but anyway, nevertheless I manage. So, and I'm gonna do my full YouTube name because Oksana is actually my real name, and LV, it's a short of my last name. So we're gonna start with the letter O, and for the letter O I choose Chanel O pouch. Since I don't have really much C's in my name, any opportunity I have to include Chanel item, obviously I'm glad. And this is Chanel O pouch. This is absolutely exceptional item. It's fairly priced for the Chanel items, and you can use it as a catch-all. I actually have something even inside. You can either use it as a catch-all, you can even use it as a wallet in some of the handbags. You can pretty much put everything, cash, etc. And it's very cute item, I would say, and I love it. People are concerned about lambskin. I actually have it in a lambskin, and you know, I have no problem whatsoever. But I knew that I don't plan to sell this item. I don't really baby it. I use it, and maybe because I use it so much, you know, I rub it with my hands. It's actually in pretty good condition. Let me show it to you. You can see it's in very good condition. I love that CC on top. So absolutely love it. So my first item is Chanel O pouch or O case. Sometimes they call it Chanel O case. But I want to mention something else because I think it's deserve mentioning, especially this brand. I want to mention Off-White brand, and from Off-White I have biker shorts. I purchased them last year when the biker short style just started, but I'm using this year. And especially if you're a girl who is a little bit on the curvy side in summertime, you know what I'm talking about. The biker shorts are perfect. I feel very comfortable wearing them. Really highly recommend this brand, and especially because he is like Vigreal. He's right now in charge of LV men's department, like, you know, LV men's creative director. Highly recommend this brand if you're thinking about. So I guess we are done with letter O. The next letter is X, and this is very hard because when I even doing Farfetch and trying to find any brands in handbags, etc., with the letter X that started, it's almost non-existent. As I already said, it's so hard to find anything with the letter X, you know, in my collection. But I would say even in general, it's really hard to find anything with letter X. But I still managed to find something in my collection that could represent letter X, and this is my Fendi Peekaboo X Lite. So I really love this bag. I talk about this bag a lot on my channel. Recently also I did a video low-key luxury items, and this handbag once again on that list. Really love this handbag. It's absolutely perfect handbag for every day, you know, practical for work, etc. And you can dress it down or dress it up. For instance, I just recently also added Willy to my handbag. Absolutely love it. So it can kind of spruce it up a little bit, dress it up a little bit, because by default the strap comes just like that. It's a fabric strap, but I also add myself extra Zucca print strap because the inside of this handbag is with the Zucca print. So love. So I managed to find something in my collection for letter X Fendi X-Lite, it's actually the name of the bag, Fendi X-Lite Peekaboo. So there you go, guys. This is for the letter X. So the next letter in my name is A, and for the letter A, I decided to choose my Louis Vuitton perfume, and the name of this perfume, Apogée. I spoke a lot about this perfume in my spring favorites. This perfume is absolute sensation for spring and summer. The major scent is peony and lily of the valley. Love, love, love this perfume. So Louis Vuitton Apogée. The next letter in my name is N, and for then the N I choose, of course, my Louis Vuitton Neverfull Jungle Edition. Love this handbag, guys. It's really good buy. I score a major on this handbag, and on the second market they sell the major premium. I have Zoom Money organizer for this handbag, and I'm gonna leave a code in the description box below, because if you're interested, I don't get any payment. Just for you guys, you're gonna get 20% discount. So my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So my next letter is once again letter A, and for this letter I decided to choose oldie but goodie, and this is Aquatalia boots. I have these boots for a very long time. I hope it shows, like, you know, on the back over there it says Aquatalia. They are extremely comfortable. These boots I have it, I think, for like 7 years already, and they're still in very good conditions. They're waterproof, so for Canadian winter it's perfect. Highly recommend. So for letter A, it's Aquatalia my boots. So the next one is letter L, and obviously I cannot choose anything else except for Louis Vuitton for letter L, and I have many Louis Vuitton handbags, but I decided to choose Louis Vuitton Twist because this is the newest somewhat edition of their classic handbags, and the quality is exceptional. Really exceptional. I really love this handbag. As I said, I have many handbags from Louis Vuitton, but I think this one, it almost stands by itself. I love the unique shape and design because nobody else has this unique shape and design. I love the lock because the lock is that's why it's twist. The lock is kind of twisting, you know, left and right, and you get V and then you get L, Louis Vuitton. Like really nice handbag. I absolutely love it. If you're considering buying this handbag, I highly recommend. I mean, this is one of the most expensive handbag from Louis Vuitton, but if you really thinking about it, highly recommend. If you don't want to pay full price, there is lots of these handbags on the resale market with very good price. Highly recommend Louis Vuitton Twist for the letter L. So my last name is a V, and once again for the V I had a couple of options, but since Chanel is one of my favorite brands, my first options would be Chanel vanity case. I love this handbag. It's very practical. There is lots of variations of this handbag, the most famous one with the beige and black, but I actually tried that handbag at the store, but I rejected. Not because I didn't like the combination, but I don't know what, at that time I guess I wasn't in the right place with the light color handbags from Chanel, and I thought it's going to be easy to mark and you know, not as practical. So anyway, I choose my vanity case in the black caviar skin, absolute perfection. This handbag can fit a lot. There is lots of details to this handbag. It's you know, one of their, I wouldn't say classic style, but recurrent style. They bring it all the time in different variations. Beautiful timeless handbag from Chanel. So Chanel vanity case. And one more, once again, honorable mention I want to say, it's for the letter V, it's Valentino. In general, as a brand, I have so many Valentino, not so many, but I have somewhat Valentino shoes and boots, and I wanna mention first, it's my Valentino boots for winter. They're absolutely spectacular. They're really warm inside because inside there is a fur It's gorgeous. Once again, for the Canadian winters are perfect. Really rigid bottom. Love these boots. If you're thinking of Valentina boots, highly recommend. And the other options, once again, it's Valentina shoes. Any shoes that you like from Valentina, whatever, you know, your preferred style, I highly recommend, guys. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like my choices. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please check your name in the description box. I'm gonna tag some of my friends from the YouTube, because I know many people already did this tag. If you already did this tag and I missed your video, please once again comment in the comment section below, and I will definitely watch your video. Thank you very much, guys, again for watching, and I guess until our next meeting, bye bye.